Is it started? Is it going? You know, that's an American joke too.
Why is it that in America everything is so loud?
Hey, it's the American way. Be heard, you know? I guess that's it.
I mean, it's very true. Everything is so loud.
You have to be heard in America. You don't want to be a silent voice here in this country.
But you like Harley Davidson better.
I like Harley Davidson is the best. Yes, I'm a Harley man. The 100-year anniversary Fat Boy. That's it.
And could you explain the difference?
That is a very clean, comfortable bike. You know? It's just what else can you say? I mean, look, it has hand covers here, so your hands probably don't get cold. That is nice, you know? And it has this big plastic all over it, and it has absolutely no chrome on it. It has no chrome. There's a little chrome right there. It looks like a very comfortable vehicle. And that ain't motorcycling to me, you know? You gotta rough it a little bit, you know? So what things hit your knuckles when you're on the road? They need to take that off. Yeah, it's amazing you've gone a couple thousand miles on that.
It's very comfortable.
Yeah. I would guess that it is.
You know, when I got my motorbike, I had no idea. I went into a motorbike place, and I said, okay, I just make my driver's license. I want to go to Lisbon, like 2,000 miles away from Berlin.
Uh-huh.
And the guy said, yeah, what kind of bike would you like? So basically, and I pointed at a Harley Davidson, and like a chopper.
Uh-huh.
And the guy said to me, all right, like with this bike, you can go on a Sunday to buy ice cream at an ice cream shop, but you can't go to Lisbon with it.
Oh, that's wrong. Where is that guy at, man? I'm coming there to talk to him myself. On my Harley.
But it has grip heats. You know, like grip heats.
So they have a guy come out and massage your back too.
I mean,
see, in America, part of the whole motorcycle thing is roughing it. You know, it isn't supposed to be that good. I mean, it's good to be comfortable. I don't mean your machine should be, you know, it should bounce you off of it or anything. But if it becomes too convenient, why not just be in a car?
I mean, I draw, like I have a different motorbike in Germany. Like I have one without grip heats, for example, and I really love the grip heats. Like when I traveled like through pouring rain at 10 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty cold. For 800 kilometers and from Berlin to Munich.
Wow.
On this thing, and I was almost dying, and like my hands froze off almost. And I really appreciate grip heats.
How about gloves? Big gloves.
I had like 3 pairs of gloves.
I'm gonna give you some Harley gloves.
They all got soaked, and it's like they were like wet of water. What I think is that people on Harley Davidson, they just go when there's nice weather.
No, man, come on. I'm a rough rider. There's no way in the world. No way.
If you look at them, like with all the chrome and stuff, and people are cleaning it all the time. I mean, they are basically they are having their Harley and they clean it. They don't drive it. I don't know.
Oh man, you are totally you creating diplomatic problems here now. We gonna have issues, man. We gonna have issues. We gonna have issues, man. You gotta have a clean bike, but it's after you rough it. It's all muddy, it's all dirty, and everything. It shows you've you've done a nice ride. Then you cleaned it up so people go, hey, that's a nice bike. But what's this? It don't look like you ridden it.
Did I what? Did I?
It doesn't look like you ridden it.
Yeah, that's.
I see a little dirt there, a little dirt there. What? It got a little man come out and clean it too. This thing don't look like it's been ridden. You got a lot of bugs on the shield. That looks good. See, dirt in America, dirt is good. It's the essence of being an American.
Yeah.